taught me how to stand up tall. Your laughter echoes through my mind. A love so pure, one of a kind. Your wisdom shines like morning sun, a steady voice when days are done. Through every storm you've been my shield. In your embrace my wounds are healed. Oh Dad, you're my guiding light. Through the darkness, through the night. Your heart's a fire that keeps me warm, a shelter safe from any storm. Lessons I once ignored, now they're treasures I adore. You showed me how to chase my dreams, with courage bold and endless schemes. I see your shadow in my stride, your strength and love there by my side. Though words may fail to say it clear, Dad, you're the reason I'm still here. Oh Dad, you're my guiding light. Through the darkness, through the night. Your heart's a fire that keeps me warm, a shelter safe from any storm.
Built a world with his two hands, raised me up to understand. The strength he showed was soft inside, a love so fierce it never hides. He taught me how to stand my ground, to find the joy where it's profound. Through storms and sun he stood so tall, his quiet wisdom said it all. These hands of his, they carried me through broken roads and stormy seas. A father's love no words could frame, forever lit an endless flame. His laughter echoed through the years, it wiped away my childish fears. The little things he'd always do remind me now of love so true. And now I stand where he once stood, trying my best, I hope I'm good. I see his shadow in my stride, his lessons walking by my side. These hands of his, they carried me through broken roads